Hello everyone. Today in this video we are discuss important clauses in agreement. As per section 2E of Indian Contract Act 1872, every promise as well as every set of promise forming the consideration for another is an agreement. A legal agreement is not a mere piece of paper for signing by two parties, but it depends one business organization with its rights and remedies. An agreement also creates obligations, conditions, manners, time limits, monetary concerns, etc. So that every part of the agreement is appropriately sealed, failing which it might result in unforeseen losses. The most important clauses in an agreement is parties to the contract. Every individual in the contract is named in the clause. It is important to the validity of the agreement itself as an ambiguity in identifying the individuals could render an agreement null and void. If a party is drafting the contract, make sure that he clearly states the name of all the individuals and then refers to them throughout the contract using a similar nomenclature. Confidentially, the term confidentially is a procedure or a promise that confines access or place limitation on certain types of information relating to sensitive information. For example, technical data or known however revealed before or after signing the agreement, which includes but is not limited to information concerning to business, goods, manufactures, process, trade, research, design, procedure design, drawing, marketing or any other data which under certain condition of circumstances appear towards being confidential. Services, where a specific service is being offered, accepted promise as well as delivered upon consideration, it becomes extremely hard to draw the line relating to the nature and extent of services towards an agreement. Term and termination. The clause mentions the tenure for which a business is required to render service. It is significant to every kind of agreement to include a lock-in period in order to avoid any kind of loss. Determining the exact period will assist the parties to know the tenure for which they will be rendering the services. Compensation is one of the most important clauses in an agreement. The usual method is to look for the approval of the board of directors towards authorizing the compensation that the party will receive. Intellectual property rights, non-compete and non-poaching clauses, indemnity, warranty and guarantee, dispute resolution, governing laws and jurisdiction, conflict of interest, termination of the contract. These are the most important clauses in an agreement. Thank you.